Welcome to English Conversation Hub. Today, we're learning English through real topics. In this video, we'll explore a thought-provoking idea: what if there was no internet for a day? Listen carefully, improve your vocabulary, and practice English naturally. Imagine waking up one day and finding out that the internet is not working. No social media, no emails, no YouTube, no online games, and no Google. Sounds strange, right? In today's world, the internet has become an important part of our lives. But spending a day without it can teach us many things. At first, the day may feel confusing and difficult. Many people depend on the internet for work, study, and entertainment. Students cannot attend online classes, office employees cannot join meetings, and shop owners cannot use online payments. It feels like everything has stopped. But after some time, something interesting happens. People start doing things differently. Instead of watching videos online, we may pick up a book. Instead of texting friends, we may call them or even meet them. Families spend more time talking and doing activities together. Children play outside, and adults take a break from their screens. Without the internet, we also get more time to think and relax. Our minds are not busy checking messages or notifications all the time. We notice the small things around us: the birds singing, the sound of the wind, the laughter of people. Life slows down, and we begin to enjoy simple things. Of course, a day without the internet can cause problems, especially in offices, banks, schools, or hospitals. But it also reminds us not to depend on it too much. It shows us the value of real conversations, real books, and real experiences. In conclusion, a day without the internet may feel difficult at first, but it can also be peaceful and refreshing. It helps us reconnect with the world around us and teaches us the importance of balance in life.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.